Hello, my name is Ben McCafferty, National Sales Manager for FP McCann, and today we're going to show you how to mix and apply our paving grout. Our paving grout is a highly fluid, rapid set slurry jointing mortar designed for early trafficking. Available in natural, buff and charcoal, it is a blend of carefully selected sand, cement and additives. Designed to meet the requirements of BS 7533, it can fill joints from 5 to 50 mm wide and a depth of 20 to 200 mm in one application. FP McCann Paving Grout is designed for use in all rigid bound paving constructions and is suitable for application in public realm works, carriages, pathways and all domestic paving. For this mix, it's recommended to use a cement mixer or paddle mixer. For each bag you'll need approximately 3.7 to 4.3 litres of clean water. Pour in 3/4 of the water required, followed by 3/4 of the contents of the bag and mix from approximately 2 minutes. This is then followed by the contents of the bag and the remaining water. Mix until the mortar is at a consistent state. Before applying your mix to your paving, it's crucial that your paving is damp. This can be either done by misting a jet wash over your paving or applying a wash buoy or a damp sponge. Please ensure there's no standing water in your joints, as this will affect the performance of the product. Start pouring your mix onto the paving. Once you've poured your mix, start spreading the grout evenly at a 45-degree angle with a squeegee, ensuring there are no hollow joints and excess residue. Paving grout will typically set within 20 to 30 minutes. However, this can drastically change on a number of factors, such as weather, ground temperature and type of paving. It's recommended to work in smaller areas in warmer conditions and large areas in colder conditions. It's important to keep the grout on the surface damp to prevent it from setting, so keep an eye out for lighter drying areas. If you do spot any drying areas, apply a light spray of water from a hose or a jet wash. Conduct a fingerprint test on the joint to see how the product is setting. If a fingerprint is not visible, then you can start your cleaning process. A more labour-intensive cleaning process would be to use a wash buoy. This is more suited to smaller areas and winter conditions where it could take longer to dry. For larger areas, you can use a jet wash. Spray your jet wash in the direction of a downward gradient, and once sprayed, start using a soft broom to brush away the excess. Grouted areas can take foot traffic in 2 hours and vehicular traffic in 6 hours, depending on temperature and site conditions. If you are new to working with cementitious paving grouts, it's recommended to work in smaller areas first. For further information, please see our website.